Healing from narcissistic abuse is a really long journey, and it's a learned process because you have to learn about what it is, what the abuse is, and how it's affecting you and your life, and how to prevent it, but also how to heal from it, because it touches our innermost heart and soul, and that's the issue. Is how do we heal that inner part of us when we became vulnerable and gave, expecting like reciprocation that was matching it. And maybe it was at first, but it was a lie, it was a game. So my whole deal is like, we're playing the mental wellness game all day, every day. That's why I'm in the punk rock healer game now, because it's not just like talk therapy. It's not, in my opinion. It's action. It's really, really plugging into your health and wellness and your spirituality and your fitness and your relationships and your boundaries and how you are showing up for you in the world. And, you know, I don't have to show up pretty. I don't even have my contacts in. I am not even seeing clearly. But that's what happens when you're in a narcissistic relationship. You're not seeing clearly. Everything kind of gets fuzzy, and they pull the wool over your eyes, and you're like, this is the world. Like what I'm seeing right now is like that hazy world. Like, what's reality? And am I going crazy? And they'll tell you that you're crazy, and you're like, oh, I'm the crazy one? Oh, okay. And you try to like fix the situation and bow down to like make things feel better again. But ultimately, it's just more pain, more suffering. So the pain and suffering is the pain body that you are causing within yourself to stay in that miserable situation. And so that's why I show up. I'm doing the half-hour punk healer hotline. You know, you got an issue, you're feeling down, you just need a little like connection, someone to talk to, a friend, you know, an ally, someone who might understand if you're like drinking too much, or you are in a toxic relationship and you're trying to get up, just don't know how to do it because it's so painful. It's so painful, so painful. I use all kinds of like healing techniques and just holistic practices to really get me into the mental wellness game, so I'm playing it well and I'm winning every day. It's an everyday game. It's in the moment, really, because in the moment we can get triggered, something can happen, and we have no control over that. We don't. So, but we do have control over how we react, what actions we take, how we use our mind and think. So change your thinking, change your life. I might have like green juice because I'm eating my oatmeal. And drinking my coffee. So basically, like, we are healed when you can confront your narcissist, toxic person, relationship with full power, with full like fire, where you are owning it. You are owning like you take your power back, take your freaking power back. And so that's what the Narcissistic Recovery Support Group is about. Talking about it, learning about it, healing about it, listening to other people share about it. So that's Thursday nights at 7 p.m. on Zoom. It's $20. No insurance. I'm not a therapist. I'm a religious science, spiritual practitioner, life coach, transformation coach, booty movement instructor. So if you have any questions, let me know, or direct message me and we'll talk. All right. Have a great day. Bye.